Good morning, guys. Hope you're well. Looking on the daily on NAS, and as you can see, we're still stuck between two zones over here. We have, as per our still charts in the group, our resistance is over here. We look left, 22,250, and as you can see, price is still below this the zone over here. So, as you can see from the daily channel as well, still in a bearish channel. You can see this could be forming a lower high until we break above the zone and close above and retest the zone of support. Just be very careful over here. Similar to the zone over here, we had a break and close above, and then what? A retest. This is our 20,800 zone over here, key zone over here. But the clear sign over here was a break and close above, and then a retest. So if we get the same over here, break and close above, and a retest, that would be fantastic. But until we break the zone, this is still very much resistance. So if this daily does actually form a reversal here, I might look for a sell down to this first support zone over here. So at the moment, I'm not really interested until we get maybe a daily reversal formed or a daily break and close above. That's key. We need to wait for the clear sign from the market of what's going to happen. So at the moment, you can see just in the middle of nowhere. If this daily does close like this, I'll be interested in a sell. But until that happens, until we break above or reject the zone, then I want to make a move. Let's look at my alert over here because this is our major support zone over here. If we do go to the 4-hour, go lower. Just check the news. So I think China US they're back to resuming talks again on trade, again back and forth with this. The EU, Trump is imposing tariffs on the EU, so just round and round we go over here with Trump and all that chaos. But we look at our chart, 4-hour, it's bullish. In the uptrending channel, we have a look at this fake out over here. So we had a push above, close above, and then a sell off. This is a fake out over here. Big breakout, close above, fake out. So this is on the 4-hour resistance is about 21,900. We're back below the zone on a intraday level over here. So 21,800, 21,900 is resistance on the 4-hour. We have a zone over here, 21,450. We looked at in our still charts in the group. First zone I will look for support will be over here, 21,440. Then we get a push down this level on the weak rejection over here. It's lower, and our zone over here right below is our 20,600 to 20,800 zone. So if price pushes here and this zone rejects as support, I will look to get into a buy from here. If it breaks below, I'll look for the next support zone over here. Look at the weekly. This is the weekly top. This is our resistance over here, 22,250. We look left, made a high, rejected over here, and big sell-off. So until we break the zone, price could very well fall again. So we need to break above, close above this level for price to really push higher. Still very much, as you can see on the daily, on the weekly, the channel, very much obviously bullish, following this trend over here. But we've got to wait for levels to break. So until we break this level, I will look for rejection over here and a pull back to, this is our 20,600 to 20,800 zone. Just keep an eye on these two levels. Again, on the daily, we look at our zones over here. It's very much we're playing in between. Here's my palm. Could have a rejection over here, back down over here. Boom, 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 something like that. Looking for something like this. If that doesn't play out like that, could have price rejecting over here, pull back this level up, break it, and then back down. It could very well play out like that as well, depending on the price. So we have to see what happens. So key level, guys, is this 22,250. We've got to see if this level holds as resistance or it breaks and retests as support, or rejects and falls down to the next major support zone. So So at the moment, again, as you can see, not interested until we have a break and close above or an ejection and form a reversal formed and then sell off down here. So yeah, let's see where we go. Let's see what happens in the world today. Let's look at it at US market open again. And if you guys have any questions, always feel free to message me. Thanks so much, guys.